starting from scratch. No dog raised, sold, or bred for any legal purposes. Today we're going to look at a great American Pitbull Terrier, Chico Lopez's Ciega. Ciega is an inbred red boy dog. Let's check out his pedigree. Ciega was sired by Holland's Haymaker, bred to Holland's Heartbreaker. Haymaker is sired by Holland's Cadillac II, bred to Bailey's Cherry, inbred red boy. And Heartbreaker is sired by Mim's Stuff, a great producing dog. Stuff was bred to Holland's Cherry Jubilee. As you can see in the pedigree, Holland's Haymaker and Cherry Jubilee are littermates, making Ciega 3/4 the breeding of Cadillac II and Cherry, with 1/4 of Mim's Stuff breeding. Check out the pedigree of Marlowe's Champion Bridges. Is in Ciega's pedigree 4 times, 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. Marlowe's Champion Bridges was a great producer of the red boy dogs that produce producers. This was a great cross of inbred red boy by Chico Lopez. Ciega the Great, a great looking dog and producer, starting from scratch. Stay tuned.